well, now I'm going to choose my name. I'm going to put Mike. I'm going to apply the changes. And in the sharing button here, you will be able to share different images, which are going to be synchronized over the network. So I'm going to pass it to you now, so you can play with it. Nicely done. You can also rotate it and change its scale, as you will see in the future. And you can put it on the board too, on the big TV screen here at the right. Put it there. Nicely done. So you can see that the image is going to be also appearing on the board if there is some contact with it. Now I'm going to share a video with you. There is also a loading bar on the menu. Whenever the video appears, you can also do as we did with the pictures and put them on the board. Yeah. So you can see the video in a bigger screen.
Flu or coronavirus, good hygiene is essential. That starts with washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water whenever you cough, sneeze or blow your nose.
And now I'm going to show you how the fingers are also synchronized over the network. You can put your thumbs up, you can point, etc. You can see also that we have rigid bodies for the pictures. And you can scale them with your two hands and rotate them. I'm going to take it to the table now. Please pass it to me. Thank you. And I'm going to put it on the table, and you can close it if you want to. Now we're going to show the synchronization with a third cross-platform device. In this case it's a mobile phone, and you can see that we also have implemented some movement. We can put the hands up, hands down, and we can walk and rotate the head of the mobile device using the pads. We believe that this is a good solution for the times that we had to live right now for developing presentation applications online in a more realistic way. What do you think? Thumbs up? Thanks.